Key to Living the Law of Attraction by Jack Canfield, released in 2007, is a practical guide to applying the law of attraction to achieve personal and professional goals. Canfield, known for his work in personal development and success principles, emphasizes the importance of understanding and applying specific concepts to align thoughts, beliefs, and actions with one's desired outcomes. Here is a breakdown of the main ideas and principles in the book. Understanding the Law of Attraction and Law of Attraction Basics. The Law of Attraction posits that like attracts like. What we focus on, whether positive or negative, expands and manifests in our lives. Canfield explains that thoughts and feelings act as a magnet, drawing similar energies into our experiences. Therefore, consciously choosing positive thoughts and feelings creates a momentum that aligns us with positive outcomes. Thoughts as creative forces. Canfield asserts that every thought has a frequency, which interacts with the environment and influences experiences. By intentionally cultivating constructive thoughts and letting go of limiting or negative ones, we increase our capacity to create the life we desire. Power of intention. Setting. Clear intentions serves as a foundational step in applying the law of attraction. Clear intentions give direction to our thoughts and actions, creating a more focused pathway to manifestation. Clarifying desires. Knowing what you want. Canfield emphasizes the importance of clarity in understanding one's desires. He suggests taking time to reflect on what one truly wants in all areas of life, be it relationships, health, finances, or personal growth. Creating specific goals. Specificity makes desires more actionable and measurable. Instead of vague wishes like, "I want to be happy," Canfield encourages setting detailed goals, such as, "I want to earn a specific amount per year," or "I want a fulfilling, supportive partnership." Specificity focuses energy and reduces ambiguity, making desires easier for the subconscious mind to process. Visualization. Canfield advises creating a mental picture of what achieving these desires would look like. Visualization acts as a rehearsal for success, and by imagining specific details and outcomes, the mind begins to adopt this imagined reality as possible. Believing in possibility. Power of belief. Belief is a cornerstone of the law of attraction because it shapes thoughts, emotions, and actions. Canfield highlights that belief determines what we perceive as possible and influences whether we'll take action toward our goals. To successfully manifest desires, one must believe that they are achievable and deserved. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Many people have subconscious beliefs that restrict them from reaching their full potential. Canfield suggests identifying limiting beliefs, e.g., "I don't deserve success," or "money is hard to come by," and replacing them with empowering ones like, "I am worthy of success," or "money flows easily to me." Faith and trust. Developing faith in the process of manifestation is crucial. Canfield encourages readers to trust that their desires are achievable and that the law of attraction is working in their favor, even if the results aren't immediately visible. Trust allows individuals to remain focused and committed without needing constant reassurance from external validation. Feeling as if the goal is achieved. Emotional alignment. To attract a desired outcome, Canfield teaches that one should feel as though the goal is already realized. This involves cultivating the emotions and feelings one would experience if they already possess the desired reality, like feeling grateful, confident, or fulfilled. Generating positive emotions. By consistently feeling positive emotions associated with their goals, readers can align their emotional energy with their desires. This creates a feedback loop, as positive emotions reinforce a positive mindset, which in turn attracts positive experiences. Gratitude as a tool. Canfield places strong emphasis on gratitude, as it amplifies positive energy and helps to shift focus away from lack or limitation. Practicing gratitude for both present and desired experiences strengthens the attraction process, creating a sense of abundance rather than scarcity. Practicing visualization and affirmations. Visualization techniques. Visualization is a core practice in Canfield's approach to the law of attraction. He recommends daily visualizations, where one imagines oneself achieving or living their desired state. Engaging all the senses, sight, sound, touch, etc., during visualization helps to create a vivid experience that reinforces belief and emotional alignment with the desired outcome. Using affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that declare one's desired state as already achieved. Canfield advises writing and reciting affirmations in the present tense, e.g., I am confident and successful, to affirm the desired state, helping to rewire the mind toward this reality. Vision boards. Creating a vision board, a collage of images and words representing one's goals, is another tool Canfield recommends. Vision boards serve as a visual reminder of one's desires and reinforce the process of visualization. By regularly looking at and reflecting on their vision board, readers can keep their goals top of mind and maintain focus on their desired outcomes. Taking inspired action. Combining thought and action. Canfield emphasizes that while thoughts and feelings are powerful, they must be complemented by action. Taking steps toward a goal demonstrates commitment and solidifies belief, creating momentum for manifestation. He advocates taking inspired action, steps that feel aligned with one's desires and that flow naturally, rather than feeling forced or motivated solely by logic. Following intuition. Intuitive insights often serve as subtle nudges toward a desired outcome. Canfield suggests paying attention to these intuitive signals and acting on them when they appear, as they are believed to be guided by one's intentions and beliefs. Overcoming fear and procrastination. Canfield acknowledges that fear and procrastination often stand in the way of taking action. By focusing on the emotions of already having achieved the goal, one can overcome these barriers. He encourages readers to start small, take consistent action, and remember that even incremental steps can lead to significant results over time. Cultivating a positive mindset. Shifting from negativity. Canfield explains that focusing on negativity or scarcity can lead to more of the same experiences. He encourages reframing challenges as learning experiences and viewing setbacks as temporary. By maintaining a positive perspective, individuals remain aligned with the law of attraction. Practicing positive self-talk. Negative self-talk, e.g., I can't do this or I'll never succeed, undermines manifestation. Canfield suggests replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, helping to reframe one's self-concept and maintain a high-vibration mindset. Mindfulness and awareness. Practicing mindfulness allows one to observe and gently release negative thoughts rather than dwelling on them. By staying present, individuals can direct their energy toward constructive thoughts and actions, reinforcing their alignment with desired goals. Gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude for current reality. Canfield stresses that gratitude for one's current state, even if it's not perfect, aligns the mind with abundance and joy. Practicing gratitude creates a positive frequency that attracts more things to be grateful for. Creating a gratitude ritual. Canfield encourages a daily gratitude practice, such as journaling 3 things one is grateful for each day. This ritual helps to embed a mindset of appreciation, which amplifies the law of attraction and reinforces a positive emotional state. Expressing appreciation for the journey. Manifestation is often a journey rather than an instant result. Canfield suggests appreciating each step along the way, even the small victories, as this cultivates patience and allows for enjoyment of the present moment. Letting go and allowing. Detaching from specific outcomes. While it's essential to focus on desires, Canfield advises letting go of rigid expectations about how and when they should manifest. Detachment from specific outcomes prevents feelings of frustration or lack, keeping the emotional frequency positive. Trusting the process. A central theme in Canfield's approach is having trust that the universe will bring about one's desires in the best possible way and timing. Releasing control over how things will happen allows one to remain open to opportunities they may not have initially considered. Maintaining an open mind. Canfield encourages openness to new possibilities and alternatives, as manifestations often occur in unexpected ways. Being receptive and adaptable allows for the possibility of receiving even better outcomes than initially imagined. Creating a life of alignment and purpose. Identifying core values. Canfield suggests that aligning goals with core values and a sense of purpose helps to create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Goals that resonate with one's values are easier to manifest, as they carry a strong sense of alignment and authenticity. Living purposefully. The ultimate goal of using the law of attraction, Canfield explains, is to create a life that feels purposeful and satisfying. He advocates pursuing desires that contribute to personal happiness and also benefit others, creating a ripple effect of positivity and abundance. Continuous growth and self-improvement. Manifestation is not a one-time event but a lifelong process of growth. Canfield encourages ongoing self-reflection, gratitude, and self-improvement, as these practices support sustained alignment with the law of attraction. Conclusion. In Key to Living the Law of Attraction, Jack Canfield provides a comprehensive guide for anyone seeking to harness the power of their thoughts, emotions, and beliefs to manifest their dreams and live a fulfilling life. Through practical techniques, such as setting clear intentions, visualization, and gratitude, Canfield empowers readers to align their inner lives with their aspirations. He emphasizes the importance of positive thinking, belief, and action, all while encouraging patience and trust in the process. By integrating these principles, readers can embark on a journey toward personal and professional success, cultivating a purposeful life driven by their core values and an abundance mindset.